Florida at Pompano Joe's. It's pretty rainy, but it's supposed to clear up in an hour or so. But I thought I'd just show you guys the beach. My umbrella just got back. Sorry guys. We're just going to show you guys the beach because this situation isn't working out real well for me. My umbrella is literally inside out. We're gonna stay up on the boardwalk area thing, or this like sidewalk part, because I don't really want to go down on the sand because it's kind of dangerous. And this umbrella is seriously not working out. You know what? We're gonna put the umbrella. We're just gonna shove it. I'll come back for it. So if you have any questions about visiting Destin, feel free to drop a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer it for you. If you're looking for a place to stay in the area, I recommend checking out either 5stargolfrentals.com or blissbeachrentals.com. Bliss Beach offers like more condos and smaller vacation homes in the area, and then 5stargolfrentals.com has a ton of different luxury like beachfront homes that are great for groups and stuff. Is construction still going on 98? Unfortunately, it still is. I'm really ready for it to finish. They're working on expanding the road to help with traffic, so hopefully once they finish that, traffic will be a lot better here. Where is Crab Island from here? So Crab Island, so many people are always confused about Crab Island. It's not an actual island, it's a sandbar, and you can take your boat out there, but the best way I can describe it is when you're taking the Destin Bridge onto Okaloosa Island, it's that sandbar that you're passing over. So it's kind of near the harbor. Temperature right now is 81 degrees. It looks like my umbrella came out of the fence, so I could probably just pick it up and carry it, even though it's broken. And I was gonna just put it in my car, but sorry guys, I feel like this video is in shambles, and it's mostly because of this wind. And it's not raining anymore, but it is super gross out. We just... Alright, so now that the storm seems to have passed for the most part, we'll go down onto the sand. Is traffic backed up right now? I didn't take 98 to get here. I took it for like a block, and then I turned, so it wasn't backed up on the block that I was on. But it usually does get pretty backed up whenever there's a lot of rain, just because people, I don't know, the rain just brings out craziness on the roads, I feel like, and everyone either drives really slow, and there's lots of like, I don't know. Feels a lot colder right now because this wind is pretty insane. Go ahead and like this if you enjoyed watching a rainy beach walk, so I know to keep doing them in the future since we're kind of entering our rainy season. It'll rain like for an hour of the day, but not the whole day, so maybe I'll try to strategically put in some rain videos for you guys if you like them. I don't know, let me know. And I will see you guys again soon.